Wachana na mimi, leta manoti, staki shilingi, cheki maflow, bado siringi, niko na form, maparani mingi, leta madem, haraka kwa wingi, leta machali, makali ni mingi, leta madem, staki mabibi, leta machali, staki machichi, wacha Mbleina, ufala ya nini, 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 kumbe we ni Mbleina, kumbe ye ni Mbleina, kumbe we ni Mbleina, kumbe ye ni Mbleina. Mini kisani sitaki vijiti ish, wacha nitise katiri. Na kama ref niko ndani ya game, lakini misi itaji firimbi. Na wangedhani nacheza na snow, ni vile maflow zangu zote baridi. Huku mtaani kuna majangili, tembea usiku utakutwa na chizi. Chunga demu wako utakuta mafisi, alambe lolo akule mandizi. Chali yake alikuja na mbogi, anatembea na watu 50. Huku mugoya ataleta mangori, alafu akimbizwe na watu 70. Game of Thrones, I'm the king of the south, so manzi wangu yeni kama kalisi. Wachana na mimi, leta manoti, staki shilingi, cheki maflow, bado siringi, niko na form, maparani mingi, leta madem, haraka kwa wingi, leta machali, makali ni mingi, leta madem, staki mabibi, leta machali, staki machichi, wacha Mbleina, ufala ya nini, 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 kumbe we ni Mbleina, kumbe ye ni Mbleina, kumbe we ni Mbleina, kumbe ye ni Mbleina. Wachana na mimi, leta manoti, staki shilingi, cheki maflow, bado siringi, niko na form, maparani mingi, leta madem, haraka kwa wingi, leta machali, makali ni mingi, leta madem, staki mabibi, leta machali, staki machichi, wacha Mbleina, ufala ya nini, 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 kumbe we ni Mbleina, kumbe ye ni Mbleina, kumbe we ni Mbleina, kumbe ye ni Mbleina. Nipate South Sea, niko na mapirate, lakini wengine wako dini. Nakumbuka badi alinishow, tuko na wewe no man is an island. Ni kama rapa wengi wako Mombasa, vile flow zao ziko chini. Kota na matawi niko na Don Dada uko South B. When you see me, I'm from the South, Kusini. 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 Wachana na mimi, kwani unataka nini? Ngoja tu watanicheki kwa TV, ngoja tu watanicheki na binti, ngoja watanicheki kwa Mercedes. Wachana na mimi, leta manoti, staki shilingi, cheki maflow, bado siringi, niko na form, maparani mingi, leta madem, haraka kwa wingi, leta machali, makali ni mingi, leta madem, staki mabibi, leta machali, staki machichi, wacha Mbleina, ufala ya nini, 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 kumbe we ni Mbleina, kumbe ye ni Mbleina, kumbe we ni Mbleina, kumbe ye ni Mbleina. Wachana na mimi, leta manoti, staki shilingi, cheki maflow, bado siringi, niko na form, maparani mingi, leta madem, haraka kwa wingi, leta machali, makali ni mingi, leta madem, staki mabibi, leta machali, staki machichi, wacha Mbleina, ufala ya nini, 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 kumbe we ni Mbleina, kumbe ye ni Mbleina, kumbe we ni Mbleina, kumbe ye ni Mbleina. I ain't gonna rap about chains of the fame. Let me rap about days in the rain.
Mastermind.
Once upon a time in a dark place was a little guy with a dark face. He was a little shy, but was mad brave. He was wise, never catch him at a dumb rave. Grew up with no mom, so his heart aches. He was living life at a fast pace, life in the ghetto. Every day's a hard day, fighting his devils, tryna make life great. Daddy was broke and mommy went to London. Only 5 years old and feeling so abandoned. All his little friends said mommy never loved him, so after nursery he used to hide under the covers. 7 years old and still thinking mom passed away. She was up in London trying to come up with a brighter way to live life nice, cause she knows her son's life at stake. So she working overtime hoping that she'll find a way. Mommy was in London but the money wasn't coming in. He thought she was dead, she was out there struggling. He got bullied so he used to go school panicking. Life was stone cold so he froze like a mannequin. He was 10 years old when mommy called his phone. Little did he know that she was feeling all alone. Looking at a picture while he's talking on the phone. He never lost hope, the phone call made him strong. In the ghetto, where niggas on the block like Lego. A place where one wrong move will get you dead, bro. Niggas in jail depressed, waiting on a death row. You better think twice if you heard what I said, bro. Now little man's 13, chilling in school. Just a normal day, he was keeping it cool. Mommy walked in and he couldn't believe it. A lot of years apart, they were jumping and screaming. But growing up with no mom, I used to hate life. No funds, pops never had his papes right. Used to leave early and come back when it's late now. But he would rather starve just as long as I ate right. He was my best friend, used to tell him that I love him. Before I went school, every day I would hug him. I told him I will never put a man above him, put my life on the line. If a nigga try mug him, cold nights in my yard. Sometimes he used to come late, but he always put food on my damn plate. Every birthday he made sure that I had cake. I could see the pain in his eyes, it was mad bait. I play, that nigga he keeps grinding. Said don't stop my nigga, just keep rhyming and keep climbing, keep trying. Fuck stress my nigga, just keep climbing. So I keep fighting for my success. And if I don't blow now, then I'm up next. And if I don't blow now, then I'm up next. Mad vex, me and dad went through some mad stress. Eyes looking red, he was smoking on some mad cess. Tryna inhale and exhale all the badness. Praying to Allah, wishing that I never had stress. Mad vex, he told me to stay grateful. Pray every day to the Lord and stay faithful. Keep away from all them niggas that be hateful. Keep calm my nigga and be hateful. I ain't gonna rap about chains or the fame. Let me rap about days in the rain. I said I ain't gonna rap about chains or the fame. Let me rap about days in the rain. Hustle.